wonderful viewers. In this video, let's look at converting improper and mixed fractions. First, let's look at converting from improper fraction to mixed fraction. To turn an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, you just divide. First, divide the top number, which is the numerator, by the bottom number, which is the denominator. The answer you get is the whole number. The remainder becomes the new top number, and the bottom number stays the same. Let's take an example together. Let's say we have 7 over 3. Solution. So what we do, we divide 7 by 3. 7 divided by 3 will give you 2 remainder 1. So we write 2. Then your remainder will be your numerator 1 over the denominator remains unchanged. So bring it here. Now let's look at another example. Let's say we have 5 over 2. Solution. 5 over 2. Now divide 5 by 2. You will get 2 remainder 1. You write your 2, then your 1 as your numerator over 2. The denominator remains unchanged. Next, let's look at converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. To change a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, it is required to multiply the whole number part by the denominator and then add the numerator. The outcome becomes the new numerator, while the denominator stays unchanged. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have 2 whole number 1 over 3. Solution. So this is equal to 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So it will be 7 over 3. The denominator remains unchanged. They remain the same. Now let's look at another example. Let's say we have 3 whole number 2 over 4. Solution. Three times 4 will give you 12. 12 plus 2 will give you 14. So you write your 14 over your 4. Now, since there is a number that can divide the numerator and the denominator, you use it. Divide it to have a simpler form. 2 goes into 14, it will give you 7. 2 divided by 4 will give you 2. That's all for this video. In our next video, we'll be talking about addition and subtraction of fractions. Bye!